My job hunting process started after joining the UX/UI bootcamp. So I started searching for the tech companies that have UX position, or the companies that can provide me opportunities to work with them. My first job was working with NAS Wallet. That's when I was still working on Capstone project. I saw the ad of their job opportunity, and with the help of recruiter team, I applied and I prepared myself for the interview and the tests, and I passed and I got the job even before graduating. Well, I can say all of it because after learning about user experience values that will add to the products and the importance of that field in tech industry, I was expecting to have a chance to work with big companies on great projects with great people. So yeah, I was expecting all of it. Once you start doing user experience or user interface, you have to create connection with other UX UI designers around you, because it's all about experience. They might have more experience in this field, and they will lead you and they will help you to go through it.